he rotates that hip and 6. So he backs it on the arc and 6. The hand is kind of down. As he takes it back 1, 2, the hand comes up. Then we go into our normal 3 and 4. So